Good morning, class.
Morning.
Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about extreme leadership. Now, can anyone give me an example of two extreme opposites?
Living and dying.
Okay, a little bit extreme, but alright.
War and peace.
Slavery and freedom.
Okay.
Dog and cats.
No.
Apa Tambi?
Moving on. Pop quiz. Which is more important for leaders to have? The ability to talk or to listen?
This might be a trick question. The answer is both.
Absolutely correct. Detail-oriented or to see the big picture and be strategic?
Both.
You're right. To learn or to teach? To be humble or to be assertive? To rule by authority or by influence? To drive change yourself or to empower others to lead that change?
All of the above.
Yes, you see, leadership is about context and situations. It is the ability to behave in the right way at the right time and do the right thing at the right moment by effortlessly moving from opposite leadership extremes. Can someone give me an example of extreme leadership?
Mother Teresa. She was a shy, introverted person, but in 1982 Beirut, she persuaded Israelis and Palestinians to cease fire long enough to allow the rescue of 37 children from a hospital. That's an example of extreme humility, but also extreme assertiveness.
Wonderful example. Great leaders know when to abandon or quit a failed idea and when to pursue it until it succeeds. Nelson Mandela could have been president of South Africa for life, but he chose not to. Yet he did not quit the fight those 27 years he was in prison. He persevered. He knew when to quit and when not to. Leadership is about reacting accordingly to different situations and knowing that every situation is unique. Context matters. And the best leaders know exactly when to employ different leadership extremes in different contexts. So, you want to be a leader? Learn to be extreme. After all, leadership is an extreme thing.